So usually I like to wake up as early as I can. Today, I woke up to fresh snow. Get everything going, coffee. Nailed it. Breakfast, stretch a little bit, and then gotta do my chores before I go play. Awesome. Well, getting ready to go up on the mountain today. I've got my bibs on to keep me nice and dry, but underneath my bibs, I've got some thermal layers here. I've got some great wool socks on to keep my feet nice and warm and dry. I've got this great base layer, which is fantastic for moisture wicking. And then I've got a mid layer, which is great for insulation and for trapping in that body heat. And then my outer layer, which is fantastic for waterproof, especially for some of the fresh snow that we're gonna be riding today. And one of the benefits of a waterproof jacket is that it acts as a snow scraper too. And go rip some pow. Tailgating in the back of my car is still possible, even with the lodge just kind of closing down. So we're up here, Mammoth Mountain. Every base camp needs a comfy chair, tasty snacks, and a furry friend. Always check your gear. Make some adjustments, tighten your bindings, and be sure to have your board waxed and ready to go. Super thankful to have mountains open. It's kind of how I find my freedom, and this is how I find my happy. Even more now than maybe before, the fresh air, good for your head, it's good for your heart, it's good for you physically, and it'll make you smile. So get outside, find a mountain, breathe in some fresh mountain air, and the smiles are just gonna pour out of you, don't worry. Hey guys, my name is Josh Wray, and this is how I go.